Hey guys, welcome back. This is AJXG here with another video. So I have a PC build for you guys. This build is actually 800 bucks because I got two of the parts open box from Micro Center, which was really dope. So I got the Ryzen 5 that was not open box, that's brand spanking new. I got the B450M that was open box, okay, that was 65 bucks with tax. I got the GTX 1660 Super for $207. Usually that runs from anywhere between 240 and 280, so that was really freaking dope. So I got another dark flash case. This one's pink. All right, let's get into the build. Okay guys, this is Pink Diamond. One thing I do want to say is I ordered this case from Newegg, and the USB header on this case actually wasn't working. So the front 3 USBs on the top don't work, sadly, but I wasn't sending this back to California, so I'm definitely selling this as is, but it's always mentioned in the listing that those 3 ports don't work, but all 6 in the back work and all the other ports work, so that's fine. Again, remember, when you're buying parts, outsource Newegg, Micro Center, and Amazon so you can get the best possible price. This is Pink Diamond, and I hope you enjoyed the build. I'm probably going to do another one of these in the future, and next week I'm going to be building a PC for a colleague of mine, so I will show you that next week. HXG out.